Okay. More AI words. So AI words that are ending with D. Now we learned that the AI letters gives us the sound A. So now we have eight. Eight. Laid. Laid. Laid is the past tense of lay. Like he laid the bed for us. He laid the bed for us. And then aid. Aid is help. Can you aid me with this? Can you help me with this? And then laid is the past tense of lay. Maid. Maid. A maid is someone who is helping you in order to be paid, mostly a woman. So the maid went to the market to buy some foodstuffs. Maid. The next word, paid. Paid. Paid is the past tense for the word pay. To pay an amount of money. I paid all the fees. I paid. Paid. Raid. Raid. A raid is an attack, mostly to steal something from you. So the armed robbers raided my house. It means they attacked me and stole from my house. The word raid means to attack with an intention of stealing or harming the person. Raid. And then afraid. 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 Afraid is when you become scared of something, or when there is too much fear in you, become afraid. Mostly because you feel like you would be attacked, or because you have been attacked before, you become afraid that something mostly negative is about to happen. Okay, but sometimes too, something can be too good, which is about to happen, and when you get close, or you are in a position where you can get it, you can sometimes too become afraid. You feel like the thing is too big, and you are not able to handle it when it is being handed over to you. That is with afraid. So with God, I am not afraid. With God on my side, I am not afraid. That is with it. Till we meet again. Bye-bye.